Hello student, today I am going to discuss practical applications of principle of conservation of momentum. In my previous video, already I have discussed the statement of principle of conservation of momentum. The statement of principle of conservation of momentum states that total momentum of a system remains constant if net external force acting on the system is zero. Or another way you can say, due to collision also you can explain conservation of momentum. So total momentum of two bodies before collision is equal to the total momentum of the two bodies after collision. So we'll discuss now some applications of principle of conservation momentum. Number 1, when a bullet is fired from a gun, when a bullet is fired from a gun, the bullet recoils. The gun recoils or gives a kick in backward direction. This is the applications of principle of conservation of momentum. So to prove this conservation of momentum, we are considering m, capital M and small letter m be the masses of gun and bullet respectively. Initially, both the gun and the bullet are at rest. On firing the gun, the bullet moves with velocity. Let small letter v is the velocity of the bullet and the gun moves with velocity, capital V. So small letter v is the velocity of the bullet and capital V be the velocity of the gun. According to the principle of conservation of momentum, total momentum of the gun and the bullet before firing is equal to the total momentum of gun and bullet after firing. So total momentum of the gun and bullet before firing is equal to total momentum of the gun and bullet after firing. Since initially gun and bullet are at rest, so momentum of the gun and bullet is 0. And after firing, momentum of the gun, product of momentum is product of mass and velocity, m, capital V, plus momentum of the bullet, small letter m, small letter v. So therefore, mv equal to minus m small letter v. So v equal to minus m by small letter m by capital M v. Here negative sign shows that capital V velocity of the gun and velocity of the bullet are in opposite direction. If bullet moving forward, gun moving backward. So as a result, as the bullet moves forward, the gun will move in backward direction. The backward direction of the gun is called recoil of the gun. So let us discuss another example. Example number 2. Another example, application of principle of conservation of momentum. While firing a bullet, the gun should be held tight to the soldier. If the gun is not held tight to the soldier, due to recoil velocity of gun, the soldier or person firing the gun may get hurt. If the gun is held tight to the shoulder, the gun and the person become one system. Since the total mass of the system is large, the recoil velocity will be very small and the person may not feel any jerk in his shoulder. This is the application of conservation of momentum. Another one, rocket propulsion. So this is the based on conservation of momentum. Rocket works on the principle of conservation of momentum. Rocket propulsion is strictly based on the principle of conservation of linear momentum. The hot and compressed gases produced due to combustion of fuel inside a rocket leave the rocket with a large velocity in downward direction. In turn, the rocket recoils upward. Number 4. When a person jumps a stationary boat into water, to the shore, the boat slightly moves away from the shore. So when a person jumps from a stationary boat into water to the shore, the boat slightly moves away from the shore. That is because of to maintain the conservation of momentum. Initially, total momentum of the boat and person is 0. When the person jumps from the boat to shore, the total momentum of the system will remain conserved or 0 only if the boat moves away from the shore. So, if the boat moves away from the shore, then conservation of momentum will be 0. Means total momentum remains conserved if the boat is moves away from the shore. Or another way we can say, When the person jumps from the boat is moves away from the shore. That is because of to maintain the conservation of momentum. To maintain the conservation of momentum, so boat is moves away from the shore. So these are the applications of conservation of momentum. Thank you.